There are thousands of Android apps, also known as APKs, that you can install and use on your Firestick. However, most of these can't be found in the Amazon App Store, which is the only place a Firestick can install apps from by default. Thankfully, Amazon gave app developers the ability to test their new apps on the Firestick before submitting them to the App Store. Once you've enabled apps from unknown sources, you can install and enjoy things like Kodi and Cinema HD for all the free movies and TV shows they find available online. Hey, what's up streamers? I'm Alice on Fire and this is My True Media. Enabling apps from unknown sources is a really simple process, so let's get right to it. We'll start from the Firestick home screen. Head all the way to the right in the horizontal menu found up top. This will bring you to Settings, where you'll drop down into the sub-menu and navigate over to the My Fire TV item and click on it. If you then click on Developer Options, you'll find a toggle to enable unknown sources within. Turning this on lets you install Android apps not found in the Amazon App Store. Go ahead and click on it. Let Amazon know you're willing to take responsibility for your own actions by clicking the Turn On button. Aside from protecting yourself with a VPN and installing any of a huge number of third-party apps that are now available to you, that's all there really is to jailbreaking a Firestick. At My True Media, we're constantly seeking out and reviewing the best working free video streaming apps available for the Amazon Fire TV Stick and Cube. Easily stream all the free movies and TV shows you want with information provided at mytruemedia.com. You can even access and watch sports events and news broadcasts available live on TV channels from your own backyard and around the world. Stay tuned as things are really heating up here at My True Media. We've got videos coming up that show you how to install and use some of the very best working free streaming apps available today. Be sure to hit subscribe and click that notification bell to find out as new videos become available. May your streams never run dry.